Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. I'm Lacquer Lover and this is my special nail art tutorial for the special occasion of Jimin's birthday, so happy birthday to Jimin and let's get started with this video. Start off by applying base coat to all of your fingernails. I'm using unpeel off base coat as usual and you can always find the link to that product in the description box. Then apply sparkly blue polish to your index fingernail, white to your middle fingernail, a light gray to your ring fingernail, a pastel yellow to your pinky fingernail, and a dark navy blue for your thumbnail. Starting off with the index fingernail, I'm going to be drawing a shape that resembles the bubble that Jimin sits in the beginning of his Serendipity performances for the Speak Yourself tour. So I made this kind of like a tall gumdrop shape, and then I'll also be refining the lines and adding a few more lines just to kind of define the shape and also the structure of the bubble. And this is meant to be kind of blended into the background because it is a see-through bubble, so I did dilute the white polish with nail polish thinner so that I could have a thinner look, and I'm also going over top with a light sheer pink to also blend that into the background and just to add kind of this frosted look to the bubble to make it have more dimension. And as I mentioned, I am going to be adding the line in the back just to give the bubble more structure. And I'm also just going to be drawing the framework of the bubble, so I'm going to be drawing the flowers and stuff, but I won't be drawing him because I will be drawing him on my thumbnail. For the middle fingernail design, I wanted to keep it simple. This is kind of like part 2 of my thumbnail, which is also Magic Shop in Busan this year. And so I just drew the I love you hashtag Jimin that he wrote on the back of his shirt for that concert. I don't remember if he wore the same shirt throughout all the Magic Shop like musters, but I really liked it and I thought this hashtag Jimin was just so him because he likes to, you know, add hashtag Jimin whenever he congratulates ARMY, and I just love it. It's so cute and it shows how big of a heart he has. For the ring nail design, I wanted to create something that reflected another facet of Jimin's character, and I thought that him being selfless, often quoted as a selfless angel, is just very important to show, and I think that's best represented in this black Polaroid camera. A lot of the photos in the exhibition book are credited to him, and I think it just shows that he likes to stand in the back and look at his members, and he really does focus on others a lot more than himself, and sometimes that is troublesome for us and we're worried, but at the same time, you know, it's super endearing to see how much he cares for other people. And this Polaroid camera, it just holds a lot of memories from Bon Voyage season 3 in Malta, in which he used it to take photos of everything. And yeah, I just thought that it just showed his passion for taking photos as well as how selfless he is as a person. And for the pinky fingernail, I wanted to do something that was lighter and simpler, and so I just did this chick design because Jimin does kind of look like a chick. He has such cute lips and he's so adorable. And as mentioned previously, for the thumbnail design, I did recreate Jimin from 5th Muster Magic Shop in Busan, and this is day 2 specifically. And so he's basically just sitting on a ledge and he's wearing his decorated t-shirt and his blue cap and singing Magic Shop for ARMY, of course. And I just really like this because he looks so cute with his short hair and his decorated t-shirt, and he just looked like he was having so much fun. And with these nail art designs for their birthdays, I do want to reflect their best sides, I guess, just to show how much fun they can have and how they're in their zone and being themselves. And it's just so endearing, and I wanted to, you know, have that truth and sincerity to the designs. Jimin's birthday is really the festival and celebration that it should be this year. We were just doing so much, and I love it because I just feel like fairy and angel are such understatements for Jimin. Like, he's always caught my attention as someone who's very selfless, very caring, very thoughtful, someone who is really hard on himself in both a good and a bad way that we have seen kind of unravel throughout the years. And as someone who is also very hard on herself, I relate so much to him, and seeing him become better and happier throughout this year just makes me so happy and warm and fuzzy on the inside. So this is truly a celebration of his happiness, of his existence. Thank you to Jimin, and happy 25th once again. And now all you have to do is apply a generous layer of top coat and you're done. So that is it for my Jimin Day nail art tutorial. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video, and I hope that this nail art kind of represents at least a piece of Jimin's character and shows how much I love him. And thank you guys so much, and I'll see you all in the next one. Bye everyone!